In this tutorial, we will be learning about dictionaries in Python. Dictionaries are a type of data structure that allows us to store data in key value pairs. Let's start by creating a simple dictionary. For this, we will use the curly braces, and we will define a couple of keys and their corresponding values. Our keys will be apple, banana, and cherry, and their corresponding values will be red, yellow, and red respectively. The syntax is simple: just write the key, then a colon, and then its value. Now, if we print our dictionary, Python will display it with the keys associated with their values. As you can see, the output displays our dictionary with the keys followed by their corresponding values. This is the basic structure and syntax of a dictionary in Python. But, you might be wondering, why would we use a dictionary? Dictionaries are extremely useful for situations where you need to associate pieces of related data. For example, in our fruits dictionary, it's easy to look up the color of a certain fruit, and it would be just as easy to add more fruits and their colors to the dictionary as we learn them. Now, let's see how to access the value of a specific key from the dictionary. Let's try to access the color of banana. To do this, we write the name of the dictionary, followed by the key inside square brackets. So, the output is yellow, which is the color of a banana. That's how easy it is to retrieve a value from a dictionary using its key. Remember, keys in a dictionary are unique. This means that if you try to add another key value pair where the key is already present in the dictionary, it will overwrite the existing value. Now let's add a new key value pair to our dictionary. We'll add orange and set its color to orange. We use the same bracket notation, but this time we use it on the left side of an assignment. As you can see, orange has been added to our dictionary with its corresponding color. Dictionaries in Python are very flexible and powerful. They provide a way to store, organize, and access data efficiently, which is crucial when you're dealing with large amounts of data or complex data structures. That concludes our tutorial on dictionaries in Python. I hope you found it helpful and feel more confident using dictionaries in your own coding projects. Happy coding!